Hi there, it's Jörg here. You might have heard of the German philosopher and poet Goethe, who said, "To act is hard, to think is easy. But the hardest thing in the world is to act in accordance with your thinking." What does he really mean by that? Well, he's talking about our habits. You see, we have a whole range of habits that we execute throughout the day that have very little to do with our better thinking. These are just things that we do on autopilot. They happen and they create the results that we get. About 96 to 98%, in fact, of our results come out of these habit patterns that have become quite involuntary. Now, you may know very well that they're wrong, and you may know very well that you can do better. But every time you try, you don't get very far. Why is that? Well, habits sit in what we call the paradigm. This paradigm is a very powerful part of our subconscious. It's all the programming that's been put in there throughout your entire life until this very same moment that we're talking now. And the only way we seem to be able to follow through and to really make changes up to now has always been to willfully try to address this problem and try to develop a discipline. Now, you know how hard that is, and there is a far better way. You see, because you want to have better habits. I can tell you why. If you have better habits, you'll be more effective in the way you allocate your activities into your day. You'll have more spare time to hang with family, with friends, do things that you really want to do. Have more spare time for your sports, your gym, your travel, and all your other extracurricular activities that you're interested in. And if you have great habits, your income will probably go up because you'll be so much more effective in the way you're doing things. Now, this habit shaping is an art form. You can't just do it willfully because you're going to find it's not very successful. To really get the time that you need, to really develop better habits, first of all, we have to create them. How do we create them? We first have to find out what are the bad habits we have. So take stock of every single thing you do in one day. Write it down on a piece of paper. I know it requires a little bit of discipline, but do that. And do that for a couple of days. And find the pattern of your habits. Now you know which habits you don't need anymore. Because you're going to find the patterns, and you're going to see the things that you do that are totally ineffective. Now you know which ones you need to replace. So create better habits that are in line with what you really want to achieve, in line with your goals, and instill them. But how do we do that? You see, our conscious mind isn't strong enough for that kind of activity. It's only responsible for about 2 to 4% of our results. It's the subconscious that we need to reprogram with these new habits. But we're not going to change these habits. We're going to create new ones and make them so powerful that the old ones become obsolete. That's what Buckminster Fuller said. Don't try to change an existing paradigm, but create a new one to make the old one obsolete. This is what we'll do here. So we want to create new habits and really implant them in our subconscious. And if you want to know how, and how to behave in the way that you want to behave, how to have the habits that you really feel are serving your purpose rather than hindering you, you need to apply specific methods, very specific techniques. I can show you these techniques, and I can show you how to get your time back, I can show you how to get part of your life back, increase your income in the process, and really live a fuller, richer life. The way you handle your activities every single day will surprise you once you analyze them. And once you do, you're going to want to talk to me. So do that and really dig into what you do every single day. Do it for 3 days in a row, and you're going to find there are some patterns in there that you really don't need anymore. I hope you find this useful, and I look forward to hearing what you come up with. Have a great day.